jar.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Iya loh.
Halo semuanya, di video kali ini aku akan menunjukkan bagaimana proses pembuatan selai dari bunga mawar yang kita ambil dari hutan. Ini adalah bunga mawar atau biasa disebut Floridemachies atau Trandafir selbatik. Di Eropa Timur, khususnya Moldova, bunga ini dijadikan sebagai selai. Selai ini biasanya digunakan untuk membuat placinte, biskuit, atau bisa dimakan dengan roti seperti biasa pada umumnya. Atau bahkan bisa dimakan hanya selainya saja untuk dessert. Bahkan di Indonesia kita bisa menemukan bunga mawar spesies ini.
Vietnam. Quantos kilogram orang? 85. Odd. Hi.
Situasi sore hari di desa. Bunga mawar. Kalau ada panas langsung bermekaran. we make jam from flower rose. First time we need to clean
Check.
because
Check if
there
don't
sometimes have
mosquito.
the mosquito, have something animal. We put here for
Check
the
everything.
check. Everything is
clean.
good and don't have some kind of animals. 1 kilogram this flour, maybe the sugar need 500 gram. And then we need mixing for melting. For sugar become the juice.
I'll try.
Check. Smell good.
It's rose. It becomes small. We need little bit press the flowers for the can melting later and it become a gel. You see, it's already it's in process. The can now anyone need be something like this. You see, the difference. Yes. If we don't do this, they become just black and will be dry.
Okay.
Yes. It will not become jam. They will leave the juice. You will see process in time. We will film it tomorrow. Okay. Juicy.
We need put in underground. This is our underground. And here is the jam from last year.
It's flour from last year. The jam, they become jam already. We make cookies from this. It's like candy taste. Very, I like, very aromatic. And it's not we cook every time, just with in Easter only, in these days. Yeah, but if you want every day, you can eat it every day if you have more. And how much we have? Satu, dua, 1, 2,
3.
3. You see, have the
Gula, sugar.
The sugar, yeah, the end.
Bukan caramel.
You see, I like
Candy.
yeah, it's like a very very sweet juice.
Look.
Yeah, but this it's like ferment. So we gonna check the jam what we make you 2 days ago from
Flour.
from rose.
Yes.
Here. I think it's ready. Yeah, it's ready.
Wow. Oh, smell good. Okay.
The color should be brown. The juice color.
Okay.
It
This
has
is
brown,
already
yeah?
brown.
Yes.
Yes. That's me ready.
Yeah, need the juicy and this color, brown color. See, it's ready. Okay, we're gonna put in the small
Jar.
the jar.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Sweet.
See, right?
Okay.
With this we can make cookies. Maybe we can try make nastar.
Okay.
Put more for space. This is juice. This is the best test.
This is our production.
We can eating this now. Maybe cooking something. We'll see.
Okay, this is we can save for winter.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.